might take a bow. Where is he? Come now. Don't be modest. You do such astonishing, despicable work.
Maybe I think it's enough.
I'm dying to hear how he did it. How he brought you two jackals together. How he got rid of Christopher's fiancée, Anna. How he lied to the boy, let him believe she was slaughtered by the Vacaros, only to turn around and convince